Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken salad croissant sandwich updated. Start by shredding cooked chicken and mixing mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, chopped celery, lemon juice, salt, and pepper until creamy. Fold in sliced grapes or apple for sweetness and toasted nuts for crunch. Taste and adjust seasoning, then chill briefly to meld flavors before assembling on buttery croissants with lettuce and extra crunch. Whisk mayonnaise with Dijon mustard, lemon juice, salt, and pepper until smooth, then toss with shredded chicken and diced celery. Stir in halved grapes or diced apple and chopped toasted almonds for texture and bright flavor. Chill the chicken salad for 15 to 30 minutes to let flavors marry, then retaste and adjust seasoning before placing on croissants for assembly and serving with crisp greens. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more recipes. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum Voice Control. It keeps your kitchen crumb-free so sandwich cleanup is a breeze. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider it as a handy kitchen companion. Now let's get back to the video. Split and lightly toast croissants to warm and add a slight crunch, then pile a generous scoop of chicken salad on the bottom half. Add crisp lettuce or arugula for freshness and cap with the top croissant, pressing gently to hold everything together. Slice in half for easier eating. Serve immediately to enjoy contrast of flaky pastry and creamy filling, or refrigerate briefly if you prefer a firmer, chilled sandwich.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.